Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a letter folding surprise. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, you're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artie! Today we're doing a letter, a Christmas letter, and this time we're gonna do one with a polar bear. Remember, in my channel I have more of these letters, so you can go watch those lessons. And now let's start with this letter. We're gonna start with the hat, and I'm gonna leave 4 fingers from here to where the hat is gonna start, and I'm gonna make a line that is a little curvy. Same thing here, 4 fingers, and we're gonna do a curved line. Now let's join these 2 curves on the top part, and this line is also go down a little bit and connect with the other side. Let's do the top part, and I'm gonna start here with a little curve, and on the other side I'm gonna go in a little, and I'm gonna stop right there. Now from here we're gonna go curve and around and connect with this one. Around this line, we're gonna do the end of the hat, and I'm gonna start making letter U's that are all together like this. They're going around this curve, and I'm gonna extend these lines here a little bit going in. There. Now let's mark where the ears are gonna go. From the hat, I want to do a half a circle, they connect with the fold part. And on the other side, the same thing, connects right here. And from these lines, I want to mark where the envelope is going to start. So I'm going to use these lines to guide me, making a line going down. And before I get to the end of the paper, I stop. On the other side, the same thing. We're going to go down and stop. Now let's rotate the paper a little and let's connect these 2. And if you want, you can use a ruler. I'm just pressing the marker really hard against the paper. There. Now in the center, we're gonna put a line across, and if the center is here, I'm gonna put a little dot, and we're gonna go from this corner, going in a diagonal way, down to the dot. And on this side, the same thing. That's it for the outside part. Now let's open the paper. And the first thing we're gonna do is finish the face. Let's cross this line here with a curve. Just like this. Okay. And then we're gonna trace the scarf that is gonna go over this folding part. Okay, so from here I'm gonna go up doing a curve. And it's a short line, okay? Now you can align it with your ears, so I imagine that I go down here and I do another curve. Let's trace now a line that goes a little bit down and it goes to the other side. And if your line moves a little, that's okay. Now, from the ear here, we're gonna go in and connect with the scarf. The same thing here. Going in a little and connecting. Now let's finish the hat by cruising the folding part on each side, and I'm doing a curved line. Now we can do the face. We're gonna start with the mouth by doing a half a circle where his mouth and nose are gonna go. Okay. Inside we're gonna do a curve and another one underneath. We're gonna do 1 and 2 U shapes for the mouth. We're gonna do the eyes with 2 oval shapes, and they're right next to the mouth, and we're gonna fill them with black. And remember that you can change the shape of the eyes if you wanna do yours different. Okay, now remember, we're still on the folding part. And we're gonna leave a little bit of a space here, and we're gonna do a circle, leaving a space after the folding, and do another circle. It's a really tiny space. Now, from the corners of the envelope, I'm gonna join a line to the hand right here. I imagine this one goes in behind and I stop on the folding part. Let's do one more time here. Connect with the hand, goes in behind and it stops right on the crease of the paper. And now let's cross here using the folding as a guide from side to side. And if your line don't touch the scarf, you can connect them. The last detail is to mark underneath the folding part. We're gonna trace the line of the envelope. And there, that's it. We finished this letter that it can be for somebody special or for Santa. Let's see how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the letter looks like with the colors. Remember, you can change the color of the envelope or the color of the hat, and you can add a message here. Let's check how it looks when we open. Here's my polar bear in like really light colors or really light gray colors. And I add the scarf in lines, and you can change the designs on all of this. And even change the color of the bird. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!